Hello there, and welcome back to another beading tutorial. If it's your first time here, a big welcome to the family, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for staying tuned on the channel and welcome back. This is part 2 of making a beaded jewelry box. If you haven't checked part 1 yet, kindly check it out. The link will be in the bio. Having worked on a variety of bead art for over 5 years, I'm here now to share that knowledge with you. Hello everyone, and welcome aboard this fun and creative journey as I share with you skills I've gained in a field that I am genuinely passionate in. I'm Stike and I love art. So let's hop right into it. As you can see, this is where we stopped previously on making the jewelry box. This is the red base we had created on part 1. So we go to step 1, which is we continue by picking 3 white beads. You put 2 beads on the right, and the final third one you crisscross like this. Then you pull, and your art should look like this. The next step is very important. As you hold your fishing line as demonstrated, you carefully pass it through the next thread bead. By doing so, we are making the base of the walls of the jewelry box. You pick a white bead on the right and another on the left, and you crisscross on the bead from the left like this. Make sure your artwork resembles what you see on the screen. Then you pass the fishing line through the next thread bead. You pick a white bead on the right and a white bead on the left, and you crisscross on the left white bead. This is basically what we are going to be repeating through this build, and I hope you caught that. Also, it's important to note that beading is quite easy. It just requires a lot of patience and attention to detail. Would you like to help this content to get to a wider audience? If so, kindly don't forget to tap the like button, since the YouTube algorithm tends to spread the more liked videos to a wider audience. So kindly scroll down to the bottom of this video and tap that thumbs up icon. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly tap the subscribe button. Back to the tutorial. As you can see, our fishing line is coming to an end. This basically means that we have to add another one. We start by winding back the leftover fishing line and making a double secure knot to secure it. We then tuck in the remaining fishing line neatly, and once you are satisfied that they are well tucked in, you can cut them now, or you can wait until later when you're done with the whole project to do so. I personally prefer it this way so that if there was an error you did earlier on your build, you can easily undo it and correct it. This also applies when you're making the regular sized bracelets with the smaller beads. I believe by now we have learned how to unwind our fishing line properly without messing it up. If your fishing line isn't over, this could be a good time for you to go down to the comment section below. Kindly let us know, are these tutorials helpful? And if so, how have these tutorials helped you? What videos would you like to see on this channel next? This is how we connect our fishing line. You pass one end through the two beads like that. Make sure that your fishing line is balanced. And we proceed by putting a white bead on the right and left and crisscrossing. We then continue with the previous formula that we were using. A special thanks goes to all of you who have been commenting on this channel, giving us requests and giving us an insight on how this channel is helping you. The requests that you've been giving us, we are yet to do some of them, though we have them noted down, and one after the other we will fulfill them. We are also grateful for the testimonials that we have been getting from some of our subscribers who are finding it difficult when they began our tutorials, but didn't give up and managed to finish their projects. It gives us so much joy to hear such stories. Also, some of you have reached out and told me that you were able to make that extra dollar from the knowledge you gained from this channel. A big congratulations to all of you for managing to do this. Also, some of you have started doing it as a side hustle, and even some who do beading as a full-time thing have told me through the comments that they were able to learn some important tips and tricks on this channel that have helped them improve the quality of their products. As you can see here, we are making progress on the first column by repeating the same pattern we learned. When you get to this corner of your build, you pass the fishing line through the white bead, as I am doing here. And then pick one bead like this and crisscross on it. Your base should now look like this. we proceed to step 2, which is making the second column. You begin by picking 2 white beads like this and adding a third one, which you crisscross on. You then pass the fishing line through the next white bead. Then you repeat the pattern we did on the first column. Remember, you have to be quite patient while beading, so trust the process, as we say, one bead at a time, and the progress will gradually begin to show. So as we continue to bead, we also love to learn something new. Beadwork is a skill that has been passed down from generation to generation through apprenticeship, especially in the African societies. This skill is still very popular among the Maasai community, where they make different accessories that they put on. Did you know that the beadwork a Maasai wears usually signifies their age and social status? Generally, individuals of high social standards will wear more colorful and intricate jewelry. Beads could also communicate the marital status or the regional origin. Like for example, the Maasai beads colors and patterns are very unique and different from the South African beads and patterns. I think they call them dembele. But for this generation, beading is playing a slightly new role, which is not only to pass the cultural significance, but also it's playing a very much needed role, which is earning the artists some extra source of income. It's a source of income to a lot of individuals, especially the ladies in the Maasai communities, and also generally a lot of people around Africa and also the world. Most of these people, including I myself, are able to earn a living through beading. Guys, we have now gotten to step 3 of this tutorial, and as you can see, we are basically repeating what we did on the second column. You can repeat this until you get to the desired column height of your jewelry box, be it 4 columns or 5 columns. I personally also started beading as a hobby, but as more people kept liking and ordering my products, I decided to practice it part-time, and it does help me sort some of my bills. Also, feel free to share on the comment section below your beading journey and how it's helped you get that extra source of income. You can also check out my social media page on Instagram at @stike_arts and landscaping to see more of the products that my team and I have managed to make over the years. Some samples are usually at the opening and closing sequence of my videos. It is my hope that you genuinely learned something on beadwork and you are able to convert the skills you learn here into an income generating activity. Also, let me know if you liked today's outdoor location and whether you would like to see more of our videos done in this outdoor setup. As our box nears completion, you can proceed to the desired column height that you may want, and you can use it to store your earrings, necklaces, bracelets, watches, and all sorts of other jewelry that you can fit in it. You can also customize it to the colors that you like and love. If you managed to watch this video to this far, I would like to give you a big thank you, and also to wish you and your family and your loved ones a Merry Christmas, and hope that you managed to make this beautiful box and gift it to your loved ones.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.